When this shit is gonna stop? I still don't get it. Everyone wanna know what do you call it? Who I been with, who I seen all those years, huh? Everyone, why you look into your personal life? Who you been seeing? Hmm? You look in your fucking life, na Baba. Instead of defaming me, because those West people, you know what the West people thing is, they get into your personal life and they wanna, what do you call it, blackmail you for that. And I gave them a very good chance to blackmail me. Go, come on, come and blackmail me. Come on. I'm where your the hookers are, where your husband is a rickshaw cab driver, the rickshaw driver for those hookers. I'm seeing those hookers. Go, come, come. So that's what the matter is. Because in my house, they are making nudes of me. They are making nudes of my family. Huh? It's their business. If it's not their business, who is losing property? Who is losing their stuff? Who is losing stuff? Who lost property? Who lost stuff? Who is running from courts to fines extortion people? Who? And if they want to say that, look, what kind of guy he's heading on clubs, and what do you call it? So what it's written? Did I say did I say it or not that I was in darkness that year, 2014, because of some events? Isn't it written there, right there? What lie? Why should I lie? कोई दूसरा लड़का रहेगा बोलेगा कि उसको इतना पॉपुलैरिटी मिलेगा, वो खुद बोलेगा नहीं नहीं, आई थिंक ही शुड गेट मैरिड। वो मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलता है। क्यों नहीं बोलता है? मुझको मालूम है मेरा स्वभाव वैसा है। कोई दूसरा लड़का रहेगा वो सीधा बोल देगा। मैं क्यों नहीं बोलता ये सब चीज़ें? क्योंकि काहे के लिए किसी का लाइफ खराब करने का? अपन क्या, मैं क्या बहुत साधु संत है? हाँ, मैं क्या बहुत ये दिमाग से ठीक है? अपने उल्टे खोपड़ी का इससे ही समझ में नहीं आता कि मुझे कोई न्यूड्स का धमकी दे रहा है और मैं उनके एरिया में जा रहा है और उनके ही प्रोस्टिट्यूट के पास जा रहा है। अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। Why I cannot go to brothel? I cannot go to nightclubs. I cannot see anyone. I cannot make a girlfriend. Why I am doing this? Arey, try to understand the pattern. They get into a private life, they get into a personal life, then they fuck your happiness. But what they were doing, they were, what do you call it? They created such a thing. They were blackmailing my private life. What my private life was? My family, my stuff inside my house, the people who come inside my house, I meet them, and what else stuff? Not meet, our personal talks, whatever it is. So they want to blackmail me for that. My pissing and pooping nudes. Huh? They want to blackmail me for that. My jerking off. They want to blackmail me for that. So I made that private public, what do you call it? Private blackmail, a public blackmail. Look at it, what's happening. I am going there, I went there. Who made the nudes? I made this a private blackmail, a public blackmail. They were blackmailing me privately. I made it in public. Look, because I have to go public, they were defaming me in public. Showing people which I am not. What lie did I say? Did I say this? No, I am going to see this girl, I am going to see that one. Did I say this ever? Try to get this word. Why will I ruin anyone's life? Try to get this right. दूसरा कोई दूसरा रहता तो है ना, the popularity which Enter Bombay has, you have no clue. Things have changed into my life after 2014. Try to get this. बोला भी है मैंने, लिखा भी है मैंने. What happened? What is going on in my head? What happens to me? So try to get this. They get into a private stuff. They know your private things, and then what they do? They try to blackmail you. Getting this bad? Using your private things. Go out in public. Go out in public. Go tell everyone the truth. See what happens. They get the blackmailers and the defamers gets fucked in their own game. That's what I did from past 2 years. That's why I have this popularity. It's not because I promised someone and I did something. No, I told the truth. Look, what is happening? I got nothing to do with anyone. The only thing I have is that whatever happened to me, it shouldn't happen to anyone. Because those are rotten shits. They will try not to ruin anyone's life. Those Chembur West people. Chembur East are very loving people like me. They, what do you call it? They are very beautiful people, Chembur East people. Chembur West is a rotten shit trying to get this part. They might ruin anyone's career. They might, look, the face smash, property, work damaged. Huh? Still they are doing it. Is this not enough example for you guys? And my side, if you say what do I say? I'm not worth it. I don't want to see anyone. I just want to do my healing and start working back. These are my words or not? I'm not the stuff which I am portrayed of. I'm not that guy. Who don't go to party? Who don't go to nightclubs? Who does this? Who don't go this? So I'm a bad fucking guy. If I hook up with someone, so I'm a bad fucking guy. So it's not that from past 2 years I have to go outside and I have to give in public. Look, I have no phone. Still nudes are getting made from clone. Why? Because the one who is a blackmailer, it's their prostitution racket. This is how the chain is. Getting this right? This is the chain. Rest is in public. Whatever they want, they still feel that I am the bad guy and continue making me, what do you call it, portraying me as a bad guy. But there are people outside who say that Bencho, this fucker, he did nothing. He is connected to no one. He has kept himself alone. He didn't give any false promises. You still didn't get it.